Hey YouTube, so today's adventure is doing a little plumbing for a laundry room I'm doing. It's a little dungeon-like down here in the basement, so bear with me guys. Okay, so let me give you a little explanation of what's going on. The laundry used to be in this area right here. See the hookup? We are now framing this room out for the new laundry area. What I'm trying to accomplish is not putting the wash machine on a laundry pump. The only thing that will be on a laundry pump is the slop sink, which is going here. So I've already broken through the concrete wall here and I'm dry fitting my pieces. So it'll be washer, dryer, because I want at least a minimum of 16 inches coming down from my standpipe, which is the wash machine box that drains, and I'll show you all that as I go along. But my current situation is he did all the renovation upstairs. That's still in progress. So somebody already tied into the existing cast iron stack. I'm not a big fan of plain Fernco's. I like the no hubs with the metal strap around it. But this makes life a little easier for me. There was no support under here. I put a concrete block. I put blocks with 2x4s to hold up all the new work. A little sloppy, but so. Alright guys, so I'm just doing a little eyeball layout here. I'm gonna make a mark on this pipe and cut her up. See. Alright. This was barely, wow. This was barely connected. Everybody asks, why do you wear gloves? Let's see, man, look at that. Pretty rough, huh? Pretty rough. Little pitchy. Take a measurement. Hopefully, hopefully we can get this nice and straight. I'm by myself today. Let's see what we got. See how straight this is. Let's call it 8 inches. Okay, something like that. Like that. I think I want to ring that. What we got going on here? Yeah, I could deal with that. So guys, that's what you do to keep your location. Make a mark. Alright, make sure your depth is good. That's all we need to know right now. Now let's go in the other room and see how high we're climbing. Oh, that's gonna work out nice. Okay. Nice. So we're in the right direction. Okay. Put this on. Hold it. Guys, see how my two marks are lined up? That's how I know I'm in a good position here. Alright guys, so this is the plan. The second pipe is for my laundry pump for the slop sink. So slop sink pump. And the first one I just put in is for the wash machine. So it's working out pretty good. I got plenty of pitch. I like to do a quarter per foot. I think minimum's an eighth. So I'm gonna glue this up. I'm not gonna install this one just yet. I'll have all this glued, but I'm gonna wait to connect my laundry first so I have room in there to work with. So we're gonna make our marks. Make sure this is in. Put a line. Put a line. Make a depth mark. And then this part doesn't matter because we can move this wherever we want. Now, before I glue all that together, I got to get a nice measurement from here to here. Alright guys, we're going to make the final connection now. Just thinking, man, I hope I could get this in. Oof. We'll know in a minute. We'll know in a minute. Yes, little fight. Holy shoot. Woo. I'm such a drama queen. Such a drama queen. Alright guys, now put this over real nicey nice. Okay. Put this guy on here like that. Okay. So now let's check our piece. See how we're rolling. Okay. That goes in there like that. Okay. Make sure we got pitch. How are we doing? Going cross-eyed here. We are good, baby. But like I said, I'm not going to install this yet till we hook up our laundry first. But let me take you in the other room and give you an idea what's going on now. So we're through the wall. This long one is my laundry. That secondary one is going to be my laundry pump, which is going right here. Okay, so once I tie my laundry in, I'll work on this and I'll tie my pump in. Alright, so, and then we'll move on to water. Alright, so now we're prepping to set up our connections. Here's our laundry water box. It's a little higher than normal, but I'm trying to get the standpipe as low as possible. You know, it's better for drainage when the pump. Alright guys, we're going to take a measurement. It's my water box here. I have, oh, I like that. See? It's nice and long. I got, let's do 18 and a half. Alright guys, let's make the last connection. Okay. This in here. So, this in here. And we'll hold everything in. Guys, to a laundry pump, we have 3 intakes. Input, which comes from your sink, your outlet, which is the discharge. This is the pipe that we just hooked up, and this is your vent. So here's vent side, here's discharge, which I'm going to hook up now, and then here's my inlet for my drain. So we're going to go ahead and see how this lines up here now. Oh man, I might get away with just 190. Wow. So let's glue this in. I also told him he has to redo this sump pump. I don't like the way that done with PVC. Guys, I'm also going to make a decision not to put a gate valve. A gate valve is a one-way valve, so it lets water up, but it won't let it back down. This is such a short run from here to here that I'm afraid that the gate valve is going to put too much pressure on the pump. You know what I mean? Alright guys, so what we made here was a nice long 90 and 90 sweep. When you're coming up with a pump, try to make that as easy of an angle as you can. And also, if you're trying to keep this straight and this straight, see the little ribs in the PVC? Just line them up when you're putting them together. And that will make the connection for the first. Boom. I made this a little taller for pitch. Okay. Alright guys, now remember, when you do a TY, okay, see how this curves? You always want that to be your direction of water, you know. So now our vent will come up, because guys, you always want the air in back of the water, pushing, because you know. Alright guys, so I prepped my vent. My vent came up, put a 90. This is only a template, so I knew where to keep it with this, keep it where the stud is. This is a 22-degree angle. This will come across, okay? Come back here. My vent hole is right there. It's gonna come straight up. Straight up. I might have to I might have to offset it. That's my little beast. Hey guys, I couldn't get the shot where I made the tie-in through the crawl space in there. Literally, it's like 12 inches from the concrete to the bottom of the floor joist, man. It was crazy. Anyway, I got that tied in, so that goes straight up through the, you know, there was an addition put on the house, you know, years and years ago. So the plumber set that for me. So then I ran, by the way, this was 2-inch in the crawl space, so I connected to 2-inch and then reduced it back down to 1.5 inches. More than adequate, more than adequate. So then attaches, comes along, boom, right out the roof, and then I'm going to come down, connect to the pump, and that'll be it for the, okay, that's all complete. I got a hose in there now, testing it. I got the hose on full blast, so you can see. I never worked with this little guy before. This thing was really small, but this is what the homeowner got. Well, let me show you over here now what's going on with this pipe. It's, you know, like I said, that connection point was always there from the previous plumber. I just took his firm coat, whatever that thing is. I use a no-hub with the metal strap, but I think what he was trying to accomplish with that big wide one was, you know, the bottom of this pipe is pretty rotted out, you know. So he's going to talk to his plumber. Whether I do it or he does it, we don't know. Let's see, but pumping nice. Alright, I think that was a good test. Now we're on to water.